Hello everyone, it's me again. So you will notice that I am going to round your final grade. So it will mathematically round whatever percentage you have. So you're gonna see a whole number now. I remember I don't give grades, you earn grades. So whatever percentage you see on there, that's what you have earned. So if you end up with like an 89% or a 79%, that's just what you have earned. Especially like if it's an 89%, it could have rounded from like an 88.5% or something. So just so you know, that's I don't change your grade after that, that whatever you see on there is what you have earned. However, as many of you are aware, the superintendent did announce that nobody was going to fail this semester. So the lowest grade that anyone can have is a D. Second, you cannot have a grade lower than what you had at the 10-week mark. Therefore, those grades I will have to change. So I will reference your 10-week, and if what you have now is lower, then I have to change it back to your 10-week grade. Do keep in mind that if you are a junior, that you will be asking for like letters of recommendation or EOP. So if you stopped working in during this time in my class, I probably wouldn't be a good choice as your recommender. So just keep that in mind, please. So I will be finalizing grades right after we do our Zoom sessions for notebook checks for any of you that are interested in the extra credit. I will have a Zoom session today at 4 p.m. and then I will have two more tomorrow at 12 and at 1. I know I had to change the times because I have a meeting tomorrow. I have a meeting today, which is why today it's a lot later. So please, if you do need the extra credit, log in. Show me your notes, show me your notebook, whatever you have, and then I'll input your extra credit. If you're not going to log on, then I do hope that you have a safe and wonderful summer. Take care, make sure you read, make sure you exercise, and I hope to see you next year. Even if you're a senior, make sure you stop by and say hello. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.